How to stop arguments in less than 10 minutes using my SAFE framework, which is part of my PhD research. If you're tired of the same repeated argument over and over again and you want a quicker way to stop the conflict, then this session is for you. My name is Ed J.C. Smith. I've been a coach for over 25 years. I've trained over 22,000 coaches in the last year alone, and my current information is part of my research for my PhD in how to remove emotional triggers in relationships specifically. Most people don't even know why they argue.
Just stop arguing with me. I'm tired of it.
It's built up over a period of time, these small things that have occurred over a period of time that now happen, and then you start to notice something happens and they escalate. And if you notice that your partner brings up all these other things that have occurred in the past, and you're sitting there going, I thought it was just I hadn't put the bowl back into the right cupboard. And again, it's got nothing really to do with the bowl, but unfortunately, there's been lots of different things that have occurred that are now building on top, because what happens, which is very natural in a relationship, is that both parties feel uncomfortable expressing tension. A relationship starts in that honeymoon period where there's the most amount of flexibility, the most amount of perceived fun, and you're just getting to know each other. And then as you spend, longer time getting to know each other, what happens is that you start to notice there's behaviors that you may not like as much, right? And you start to notice tension. In that tension is the key, because if you don't express the tension, what happens is you start to suppress it, which is what most do. So they suppress until they can't deal with those suppressions anymore, and that scales to a full-blown argument. So in today's session, I'm going to take you through my SAFE framework, which is what I created. I've taken thousands of couples through it, and it is a game changer. If you understand how to use it and you use it, it will change your life. So it spells out the word SAFE specifically. The S stands for see the emotion. Say, I can see that you're really upset.
I see. You're upset.
Why this really works is it validates emotionally what's happening. I know it sounds simple, but I can see that you're really upset right now. Means that they can hear that you are noticing they're experiencing an emotion, and you are going, I can see that you're upset right now, which is the complete opposite to what most people say. Why are you so upset?
Why are you so upset?
You see why it works so well? This will deactivate the fight or flight response, allows them to relax. Never say, just calm down. If you say calm down, what are they going to do? They're going to blow up.
Okay, just calm down.
And you have made me the same.
Okay, so I see that you're really angry right now is the first step. See the emotion. You can do this. The A stands for acknowledge the experience. Say it makes sense that you would feel that way. Why does this work? It moves the conversation from me versus you to us, together, support, teamwork. It shows empathy without agreement. You don't have to agree with the person. You're just accepting what they're saying. You're showing empathetic responses. You're not saying like they're right. You're saying their emotions are okay to feel that way.
I think it's okay to feel that way.
The F stands for feel with them and repeat back their words. Say, you have every right to feel that way. And then repeat back so you can double check so that they understand that you're listening. People understand people to be listening when they repeat back what they've said. This builds super quick connection, tells their nervous system they're not alone on this, and you're not trying to fix it, you're just being present to their experience. Thus, they're feeling really heard and understood. The last step is the E, exhale and explore what they need. Say, let's take a moment, take a breath, take a moment. What do you need from me right now? Why it works, it creates co-regulation in the moment, transforms the argument into a shared possible solution, and this is where repair can start to come in. Now, there's not an exact time period that you need to wait in order for someone to go through that cycle. You're not pushing them, you're allowing them to express. If they haven't expressed for many, many years, they might repeat that many, many times over. The more you do it, the easier it becomes. The more you do it, the less they need to repeat it. But I've had clients who have had 30 years of being invalidated by their partner, express, and need to express that a lot because they've got 30 years worth of built up emotion that hasn't been heard. So let me give you an example. You're late for something, your partner shouts at you, a very common situation. They say, why are you late? They're really upset. Instead of defending your position, you can say, I can see that this has really upset you and I'm so sorry. It makes total sense that you would be annoyed with me. I know how much effort you've been putting into this. You've got every right to be frustrated and angry with me right now. I'm annoyed with myself. for being late as well. What do you need from me right now to make you feel better on this? You can leave it there. 9 out of 10 times, again, this is not a process to avoid taking responsibility. It's taking responsibility, but also really being present to your partner's emotion. Whether you're male or female, sometimes you hear people like male will always try to solve, but it's also female do as well. But it's like we are humans hardwired to find a solution. What you're doing is experiencing someone else's moment with them, and they feel heard, understood, safe, validated, and then they will move on naturally from that. You know when you're validating really well because they want to keep talking to you. They want it because it feels good when you get validated, and then you want to move it further forward. Arguments escalate because of emotional dysregulation. The SAFE framework works because it meets their nervous system and it switches on the parasympathetic nervous system that allows relaxation to occur instead of fight or flight. So the nervous system feels safe, validated, co-regulation is starting to occur, and repair is set up in the best way possible. If you enjoy videos like this, you'll like the next video, how to stop triggering your partner.